Hey everyone, welcome back to the EZI channel. In this video, we will explain how to get your Tokopedia shop data to Odoo. By just clicking the Get Dependency button in Odoo, you'll be able to gain your shop's information, like the seller information, the logistics information, and many more. Let's see what this looks like in Odoo. Here we are in Odoo and we see a list of modules displayed here. We are explaining about the marketplace, so let's click on the marketplace module. We have already seen how to configure and authenticate a marketplace account in another video, so check that out if you haven't seen it. If you click on marketplace data, then shop under Tokopedia, you will see that it's empty. If you click again on marketplace data and then logistics under Tokopedia, you will also see that there is no information. It's empty. Once the account is authenticated, click on the shop that you want to pull your information from in that marketplace account. In here you will see your shop, which is already authenticated with various information, but you don't see any information on your shop's ID, logistics, and other important information. We will pull that information by clicking on the Get Dependencies button right here. Odoo should now have your shop's information, which you can see by clicking Marketplace Data, then Shop. Now you can see your shop's name here. Click on it and you'll be able to view your shop's ID, the Marketplace account, the URL, user ID, status, when the shop was created, your logo, and all the couriers or logistics your shop provides. You can also view your logistics data in more detail by clicking on Marketplace Data, then Logistics. Here's the list of all of your logistics, and if you click on one, you'll be able to see in more detail the service name, the service description, and the delivery type of this logistic. And that is all for this video on how to get your shop's information from Tokopedia by clicking on the Get Dependency button. I hope this information is beneficial for you, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.